Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet, and today's video is Boo. He's super cute, super requested. I hope you guys like it, but before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for all the notifications and new videos. All my social media is up there, and don't forget to check it out, the list of videos, because I have videos in Portuguese and English, and I have a bunch of them, so go back and check it out, all the tutorials. You're gonna start with the ball, and then you're gonna decide how big you want to be. If you want it to make a big topper or decoration, you can use a little small ball inside, so you don't need to use that much, and dries faster and doesn't crack or anything like that. So I'm gonna show you how you do that if you want to. You don't need to, but if you want to, I want to show you how you do this. So you're gonna get a ball and you're gonna push it down, and we're gonna cover this whole ball with the clay, and then we're gonna roll until we don't see any marks. Just like that. And then we're gonna make two balls smaller than that one, but no foam inside, because we're gonna start making his legs, and he's a bear, so he's a little chubby, so he needs very thick legs. So we're gonna make the two balls first, so we know that the legs are gonna have the same size. You can see that the balls are the same, and then we're gonna roll them out, and I want this part where the foot's gonna be thicker than the rest of the leg, and we're gonna do that the same thing to the other side and try to leave them the same, you know, size and everything. And then we're gonna just go up and down, up and down, up and down, and start marking where his feet's gonna be, and we're gonna pinch together to start marking his little foot, and we're gonna do the same thing the other side. Pinch, just like that. So now we have two little ones, and you can even worry about, you know, the side of them. Now we're gonna place on the side of the body, so you just push together, and the same thing the other side. We're gonna place together. So now we have those little two parts. Be careful to don't mark. So we're gonna have this little part, the two legs already there. And now with the red, we're gonna make his little shirt. Gonna make a ball, and squish it down, and we're gonna pinch on the sides, until covers the whole body. And we're gonna place right over his body. Be careful to don't touch your red like I just did on the yellow, you know, just in case. And then I'm also gonna mark just a little bit more to make him very very cute. and we're gonna mark right here on the bottom, just like that. You're gonna make a line and push it down, and you can even just mark little fingers, little toes, just like that. And then with the yellow again, we're gonna make a little neck. It's not really a neck, but you just wanted to have a yellow there in case you see when you put it together, because you can make making POOH bigger, using a bigger ball to start, things like that. So the same way, we're gonna make a ball and flat and open up a little bit, just like that. And we're gonna place on the top of our red. I'm gonna make a ball, and we're gonna make a long row, snake, flatten out, just like that. And we're gonna cut a diagonal shape, just like that, and get these little pieces out of there. And we're gonna use that to finish his little shirt. Put it right there. And we're gonna just open up. You don't need to worry about, because you're gonna put the head on top of it and it's gonna hide, but you want it to look like a part of the shirt, so it's smoothed out everything. And just curve. We're gonna put a toothpick in the middle. I'm gonna make a ball. Gonna mark the center, just like that. Mark where his face is gonna be, where the nose gonna be, and the eyes. You can also, of course, use the phone if you want to, but I wanted to show you that you can make with the ball, the styrofoam ball, or without it. Mark where the eyes are going to be with your fingers, pushing together, and then we have where his nose are going to be, and his face. And we're going to mark the smile, just like so. And I also want to mark a little bit of the indentation of his cheeks, and then we push just a little bit, just like that, just to be even cuter. Mark again just to be sure that you don't miss it. And I'm gonna use the back of my tool, just push just like this. So we have his face. Gonna make 2 balls the same size. For his ears. And then what you're gonna do, the same back of the tool or paintbrush or anything like that, we're gonna cut it, and then with the scissor we're gonna cut one side to be flat, as I always like to do, and we're gonna place right there. right over there. And I'm gonna use the tool again, the back of the tool again, and I'm gonna push even more the indentation in the middle, because that's gonna help to hold your ears in place and everything. So now with the yellow, we're just missing his little arms. So we're gonna make a ball, 2 balls the same size, 1 and 2. So see, you can see them, they're not the same size, so use 2 one, give to the other one. That's why I like to make the balls together, so I know then, you know, we have the same size, both sides of the body. I'm gonna make a row like we did for the legs again, just like that. And we're gonna make the same thing to separate the arms and the hand, just like that. But the hands, we're gonna pinch all together like this, and I'm gonna curve a little bit because I want him to have a little arm, and I'm just gonna cut 1 little finger to be cute. So let's do it again. I'm gonna pinch together, see, to make it a little longer, and I'm gonna cut it just 1 to separate the thumb and the rest of the fingers. But I'm not gonna cut any finger or anything, but I'm gonna put him just like this, and I'm gonna set it aside for a second and make a little like teardrop shape, just a tiny bit, and we're gonna cut it the top, push down the table, just like that. And this one we're gonna make a long snake. Oh, I'm killing him. Like a snake. And I'm gonna place all around. The snake needs to be long enough for you to cover the whole thing. And then I'm gonna pinch it together and pinch to the sides. Push down the table again. And now we are going to write honey. And we're gonna mark. Just like that. And you can even make a little bit more. Since it's like a ceramic vase, probably honey all the time. Just like this. So you have this top part here. Push down to the middle so you don't mess it up on the sides or your honey pot. And then we're gonna place him, the honey right over there, and we're gonna get the arms. I'm gonna place on the sides holding that. But now we need to put a honey there. So before our honey goes back, we need a little black for, we're gonna make a little tiny snake, as little as you can do. and we're gonna cut it. So you make the sides skinnier than the middle, and you're gonna push the middle. And then I'm gonna cut the excess right there off, making a little tiny smile in black. I'm sorry, this is so skinny, it's so tiny, I hope you guys can see it. And we're gonna get that. And we're gonna place right under the little indentation we put it there. Just like that. Gonna make a little ball for his nose, but before I'm gonna share this in two for the eyes. Be sure that they are the same. You can also just like this, make a little roll. Make sure that the roll is the same, and then you can just cut it in the middle, and then you have two balls the same size. Just like that, see? And then we're gonna place it right there. And I'm going to shoot down. Just like this, and we're gonna make his little nose. So the little ball for the nose should be a little bit bigger than the eyes. And we're gonna make the ball and make kind of like a triangle shape. And we're gonna place right up there. And we still need some white on these eyes. Cut it in half, because it's easier for you to make smaller things like that. And then I'm gonna put it right over there. Honey falling apart. Put there in the middle. And put some drops. So I'm gonna make some balls. Teardrop shape. I'm gonna put it like this. Just like that. We're gonna leave there for a while. Don't worry, we're gonna go back to that. His face right there. And we're gonna and you have little, you can put a candle right just like here. Let me see. You can put a candle just like here if you want to, or you can keep it like this for your topper. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to give me a little thumbs up, because that helps me a lot. All the information and links and under the show more. And don't forget to give me a little comment so I can dedicate a video to you. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.